guys, so I'm in Norman, Oklahoma right now, the University of Oklahoma. And as you can see, flurries are starting to come down. They're pretty light so far, but it's going to get heavier soon as we got a band on the way. Wind chills are very cold. My hands are freezing. So y'all stay safe out there. I should. I said the same to my mom. Hello.
Hi.
We are really stupid weather kids.
Absolutely.
Discovery, go in front of.
What a winter hurricane.
So, we've got a massive winter storm on its way. You can see the wind coming in here.
As you can see, I am completely covered.
It'll continue to be heavy.
I am starting to get a
Watch out for
little
people
cold.
who don't know how to drive.
Like these people right here.
We are live here. This is Asp, right?
I think so.
I think we're at Asp. Yeah. The snow is building up quickly here in Norman, Oklahoma. It is a great day to be here. What are you thinking, Tyler? What are you thinking? It's starting to come down really hard. We'll see you guys in the morning. Peace.
Heavier bands of snowfall moving into the Norman and OKC area currently. There are some places resulting in a loss of power. Just be very careful. Make sure you have proper preparations in case you've lost power like we have here at the Walker Tower. Make sure you have your phones properly charged, you have enough food and water to last you a couple days just in case things happen, and plenty of blankets. And try to avoid going outside if you can. The wind chills are pretty nasty and the snow will be accumulating pretty quickly.
Really intense conditions right now, though.
I know.
This is epic.